In this lesson, we will quickly solve the exponential equation 2 to the 4x equals 16 to the 2x. We will use the idea of rewriting both sides to the same base, then equate exponents, and finally solve for x. Step 1. Rewrite both sides with the same base. 16 equals 2 to the 4th power. So the right side becomes open parenthesis 2 to the 4th close parenthesis to the 2x. Step 2. Apply the power of a power rule. The rule says, open parenthesis, a to the m close parenthesis to the n equals a to the m times n. So open parenthesis 2 to the 4 close parenthesis to the 2x becomes 2 to the 8x. Step 3. Now both sides have the same base 2. So we can equate the exponents. That gives 4x equals 8x. Step 4. Solve the simple linear equation. Subtract 8x from both sides. We get negative 4x equals 0. Divide both sides by negative 4. X equals 0. Recap. Rewrite 16 as 2 to the 4th. Apply the power of a power. 2 to the 8x. Equate exponents and solve to get x equals 0. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.